The tragic news of Tejas crashing at the Dubai Air Show has left the whole nation in shock. The pilot of the Tejas tragically died in the crash. But the display during the air show are extremely dangerous. The pilot has to push the aircraft to their operational limits, increasing the risk of an accident regardless of the jet's overall safety record. Although the Tejas crash is not unique, since 2010 the F-16 Sukhoi Su-27 and FA-18 have also suffered demonstration crashes. Display flying pushes aircraft to extreme low-altitude limits, making accidents a known high-risk factor across all major fighter platforms. And this incident therefore reflects the inherent danger of air displays, not the fundamental airworthiness of the Tejas. So what all does an air show routine typically involve? Well, first is low-altitude flybys. Maneuvers are performed much closer to the ground than in combat or training, leaving minimal time and space for recovery in case of an issue. Extreme maneuvers. Pilots execute high G, low airspeed or high angle of attack maneuvers to showcase the jet's agility, which stresses the airframe and flight control systems to their limits. Zero margin for error. Unlike in normal flight, a minor error in altitude, speed or timing during an air show routine can quickly become catastrophic. But Tejas isn't the only jet that crashed during an air show. The list of such aircraft includes Sukhoi Su-27 that crashed at the Skylliv Air Show in Ukraine in 2002, which was the deadliest air show disaster ever, killing 77 people when the jet struck the crowd after a failed maneuver. Ermachi MB-339 in the 1988 Ramstein Air Show disaster in Germany, 3 jets from the Frecky Tricolore aerobatic team collided midair. One of the jets crashed into the crowd, tragically resulting in the deaths of over 70 people. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has been involved in multiple incidents, including a Thunderbird's F-16 crash during training for air shows. The jet was also part of a 2017 incident at the Mountain Home Air Force Base Air Show, where the pilot safely ejected before the aircraft crashed. FA-18 Hornet. The FA-18 Hornet has been involved in multiple crashes during Blue Angels performances. Notably in 2016, a tragic crash occurred at the Great Tennessee Air Show, where the pilot died after failing to recover from a maneuver. EF-18A Hornet. The EF-18A Hornet crashed during an air show at Zaragoza Air Base in 2023. Now, while the pilot successfully ejected, he was injured in the process. Canadair Sabre Mk5. In 1972, a Canadair Sabre Mk5 crashed at the Golden West Sport Aviation Show in Sacramento. The jet collided with an ice cream parlor, resulting in the tragic deaths of 22 people.